G'day YouTube, Dingle here, back with another video. This time I'm celebrating 100 subs and letting you all know what's going on with my bike. So I'll just, I'll quickly go over the bike first. I've done the rear end, I've sort of like pulled it all apart and greased it and whatever. So that's all good. I've got a loan coming. This bike is going to be built in like the next few weeks. It's going to be mad. Just in time for my move down to Brisbane. So that's going to be sick. It's going to be so expensive though, all these parts. I can't wait. I'm going to be back on the bike. Now, I've just passed 100 subs and I couldn't have done it without a couple of guys. NinjaRobDog, Squint Moto, and MrCods. They responded to a post I put on Facebook, and so I said I'd do something awesome for them. So here it is. This is a Sharpie, right? This is my headlight. Let's start. Now I couldn't tell who subscriber number 100 was, so yeah. So we'll start, we go, Ninja, my handwriting's terrible, Rob, Dog. Rightio, so when you get a sticker, sir, that'll be going there. The next person who commented was MrCods. MrCods Motovlogger. When you get a sticker, it'll be going there. And last but not least, so hard to write on this, Squint Moto. Right, so it's not much, guys. I just, permanently wrote your names on my bike. So if you have got stickers, and when I get stickers, we should totally do a sticker swap. But yes, thank you very much. Thank you, that is awesome. My YouTube's been going off the last couple of days. I've had a good few thousand views, a good couple of subs. And I'm very appreciative of it. Thank you, guys. Well, I think that's what I've got for this video. Just this awesome news. I've got 100 subs. That's awesome, man. How many people have 100 subs? Not many. If any, lots of people do. But I reckon that's awesome for the stuff I'll put out, really. So once again, thanks, guys. I can't do. I don't know how people do that. What do they do? Righto. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you all soon, hopefully. Bye.